Today we are going to do Standard 7 Maths 4th chapter exercise number 17 and 18. The two exercises, that is 15 and 16, have been completed before. The link have been given in the description boxes. You all can follow it for the revision. So today we are going to see what are supplementary angles. Before this we did the complementary angles. Now we are doing the supplementary angles. Now what are supplementary angles? The sum of the measures of two angles is 180. They are known as supplementary angles. Suppose this is a angle. When the sum of these two angles are 180, those angles are said to be supplementary angles. Okay, if we take an example of A, B, C and D. So angle ABD, AB and D plus angle DB and C, D, B and C, if it forms 180 degree, then those angles are said to be supplementary angles. Okay, so we will see few examples in order to clear our concept. Suppose we take we'll take the example, find the measures of the supplementary angle of an angle of 135 degree. Suppose they have given us 135 degree. One angle has been given. Suppose we take this as 135 degree. Okay, if this is 135, what is the other angle? We have to find it. If we consider this diagram, so what we have to do is 305. Suppose this is ABD is 105 plus nothing has been given. We can substitute it as X. So place X 180. So 135 plus X is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 minus 135. When you subtract this, you will get X as 45 degree. Means X is how much? 45 degree. In this way, you all have to find the supplementary angles. Okay. Now, moving towards the next question, we'll take one more example in order to get the concept more clear. Suppose A plus 30 degree and the second angle is 2A degree. Okay. Now the two angles have been given. We have to add those angles. Suppose we add them in this way, is equal to 180 degree. The first step is to remove the brackets. Okay. This is A is equal to 180 degree. So now see, 2A, when there is no number we have to place 1. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3A, and this 30 will move on to the right hand side and change its sign to minus. Addition will change to subtraction. Okay, so 3A is how much? 180 minus 30, 150. So the value of A, this is multiplication. When it changes its side, it will change to division. Subtract it. 3 ones are 3 5s are 50 and 0 as it is. Okay, so you got the value of A. You have only got the value of A. You have to find the value of both the angles. So what you have to do, we have to place the value of A in these sums. Okay, in these conditions, not sums. So A is 50, 50 plus 30. So 50 plus 30, answer is going to be 80 degree. So first angle is of 180 degree. Whereas 2A means 2 plus 2 into A. So we have to multiply it. Sorry, 2 into A, that is 2 into 50. The answer is going to be 100. Okay, this is multiplication. There is no sign. When there is no sign, we have to multiply. As we multiplied it over here, we have to multiply it over here also. So the answer is 100. So the two angles that we get, that is 80 and 100. And when we add this, whether to find the answer is right or wrong, we have to add the two answers and see whether we get 180. The sum of these two numbers is 180. So our sum is right. Hope you understood it. Now moving towards the exercise number 17. Exercise number 17. We'll solve the first sum. We have to find the supplementary angles. One angle is 15 degrees. So in the same way as I showed you, we have to substitute the other angle by x. This is the first angle, this is the second angle, and the total should be 180. Okay, why 180? Because we are finding a supplementary angle. Before this we did a complementary angle which was of 90 degree. So we used to use 90 over here in before exercise, in exercise number 16. Now we have to use 180. So 15 plus x will remain as it is, 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 minus 15. So x is going to be 165. Okay. Other method is you all can use minus 15 on both the sides. Subtracting 15 from both the sides, you will get 165. Okay. That method also I'll show you. I'll take the second sum, that is 85. You all can do it in this way also, and the other method, as I said, you all can subtract it from both the sides. Okay, so I took x over here, so 85 plus x, sorry, I'm taking y, minus 85 is equal to 180 minus 85. As I said, we can subtract 85 from both the sides. I subtracted 85 from this also and from this side also. And then this 85 will get cancelled. Okay, so the only remaining answer is over here on the left hand side is x, and 180 minus 85, the answer is going to be 95 degree. Okay, either way you all can do it. You all can do it in this way also, you all can do it in this way also. So one more sum we will take. I'll take the third sum, that is 37 degree. Now, in the same way, 37 plus x is equal to 180 degree. 37 plus x minus 37 is equal to 180 degree minus 37. So, both the 37 will get cancelled. X is equal to 180 minus 37 is going to be 143. Okay. So, the supplementary is, therefore, the supplementary is supplementary angle, you will have to write it, of 37 degree is equal to 143 degree. Okay, over here also you all have to write it. Now, hope you understood. You all can do it in this way also, you all can do it in this way also by subtracting from both the sides also. The answer is going to be same. I'll take one more sum, that is the sixth sum, 0 degree. So, let the supplementary angle, of 0 degree be x. So, 0 plus x is equal to 180. So, x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, the supplementary angle of 0 degree is equal to 180 degree. Got it? In this way, you all have to solve the sum. Okay, so I'll move towards the problem sums, that is the question number 2. In the measure of some angles are given below. Use them to make a pair of complementary angles and supplementary angles. Now, few measures have been given there. You all have to combine those angles in order to find a complementary angle. Divide it into two complementary angles and supplementary angles. Okay, divide the page into two. Then few angles have been given, you all have to just add. Suppose measure of angle A, suppose measure of angle B is 60 degree and measure of angle N is equal to measure of angle B plus measure of angle N is equal to B was 60 and N is 30, so it gives us the total of 90. Therefore angle B plus measure of angle N is a complementary angle. Got it? In this way you all have to write it. Supplementary angle, for supplementary angle, if we combine measure of angle B plus measure of angle G, that is 60 plus 120, measure of angle is given. We have to just add and see, 180. We have to just add and see whether it's giving 90 or 80, and according to that you all have to divide those equally into some complementary and supplementary angles. This was easy. You all can do it on your own. In this way you all have to find the pairs. You all have to make the pairs from the given angles and then separate it, divide it into two and write it in the complementary angle and supplementary angle each. Okay, so I'll move towards question number 3, that is triangle XYZ, measure of angle Y is equal to 90 degree. What kind of pair do angle X and angle Z make? Okay, now for that we have only got one angle. Okay, now supposing the sum of, this is how you all have to solve it, the sum of the measures of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Got it? We are supposing it, if it is 180 degree, so measure of angle Y plus measure of angle X plus measure of angle Z will give you 180 degree. Okay, one angle has been given to you, so put its value. Angle Y has been given, so put its value should be placed over here, and the remaining will remain as it is because we don't have their numbers. Okay, so keep this as it is, separate them, measure of angle X plus measure of angle Z, separate it and take this 90 to the other side, and its sign will change from addition to subtraction. So we will get measure of angle Z plus measure of angle X plus Z is equal to 90 degree. After subtracting this we will get 90 degree. Now we know that both the angles, when we add this we will get a 90 degree. So what are X and Y? Therefore measure of angle, we don't have to write, we have to find what is X and Y, right? So angle X and angle Z are what? Complementary angles, are complementary angles. Hope you understood how to find measure of angle, how you have to find whether it is a complementary or supplementary after doing these steps. Why we took 180? Because the angle to the maximum it will form 180 degree only. This is 180 degree angle and the half of it going to be 90 degree. That is why we are taking complementary and supplementary. Okay, so in this way you all have to solve the question number 3. Now moving towards question number 4. The difference between the measures of the two angles of a complementary pair. Now they have given us a complementary pair is 40 degree. Find the measures of the two angles. So starting with the solution, let the measure of the smaller angle, two angles have been given, so to a smaller angle of the complementary, it is not supplementary, they have said that it is a complementary angle, complementary pair BX. The smaller is going to be X. Okay, then the measure of the greater angle, measure of the greater angle, they haven't given us anything. Okay, so you all have to take smaller and greater angle is how much? X plus 40. Why 40? Because they have said that their complementary pair is, both combining the pair is going to be 40 degree. So therefore we are taking X as the smaller angle and X plus 40 as the greater angle. So after this we have to write the sum of the measures of two complementary angles is 90 degree, right? Complementary angle is of 90 degree. Now place the value, the smaller angle plus the bigger angle is equal to 90 degree. First we have to show smaller angle is x, greater angle is this much, and the sum is going to be 90. So you all have to write it in the sentence form in order to form this kind of equation. So after writing this, what is the answer going to be? X plus x is going to be 2x plus 40 is equal to 90. So 2x is equal to this 40 will change its side and change to minus 40 degree. After changing its side, it will change its sign. So 2x is equal to how much? After subtracting this, you will get 50. So x is equal to 50 upon 2, that is 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. X is equal to 25. We have got a smaller angle, right? We have got a x, but we have to find a bigger angle, that is greater angle. So x plus 40. So what is the value of x? 25 plus 40. The answer is going to be 65. Okay, so therefore what we got? We got our two complementary angles. The complementary angles are 25 degree and 65 degree respectively. Got it? Wasn't it easy? Now moving towards the next sum, that is they have given us a rectangle and we have to find the supplementary angles from them. Now what is a rectangle? This figure is supposed to be a rectangle, right? And we can name it as PMNT. Okay, after writing and drawing this figure, I have drawn a rough diagram. You all have to draw it in a fair diagram using a pencil and a scale. So this was the fifth question from the textbook. We have to find that PTNM is a rectangle. Write the names of the pairs of the supplementary angles. From this we have to find the pairs of the supplementary angles. Now we know that a rectangle, each angle of a rectangle is supposed to be a 90 degree angle, right? All the four sides, all the four angles of a rectangle, not sides, angles are of 90 degree, right? This is the first solution. So we have to write it. Each angle of a rectangle, or you can write it in words, is 90 degree. Therefore, the sum, if we add 90 and 90, the sum of the supplementary angles is 180 degree, right? Now if this is 90 and this is 90, 90 and 90 is going to give us 180 degree. This is what we have written in words. So what we have to write? We have to find the pairs. So angle P and angle T. I took the first pair. Second pair is angle T and angle N. Then the third pair is angle N and angle M. Got it? In this way you all have to find more 2 to 3 pairs. Okay? This thing is necessary. Without this your answer is not going to be completed. So more pairs are there. You all can find it on your own. I'll move towards the question number 6. If measure of angle A is equal to 70 degree, what is the supplementary angle of complement of angle A? Okay, now what we have to do, we have from the supplementary angles, we have to find the complementary angles. So first what we have to do, we have to find the complement of A. So the complement of angle A is equal to 70 degree. Okay, let the measure of the complementary angle angle of 70 degree be x. Then 70 plus x is equal to 90. Therefore, x is equal to 90 minus 70. After subtracting it, you will get x is equal to 20. Okay. Now what we got? We got the value of x. The measure of complementary angle is 20 degree. Okay. Now what we have got? We have got a complementary angle. Moving towards the supplementary angle. Find the supplement. Find the supplementary angle of 20 degree. So this was the second conclusion. This was the first conclusion. Okay. So let the measure of the supplementary angle is let the supplementary angle of 20 be y. Okay, as we supposed x over here, we have to suppose y. From 70 we got 20. From 20 we are going to find a supplementary angle. Okay, in this way only when one angle has been given, from that we found a complementary. From complementary we are going to find a supplementary. Okay, so 20 plus y is equal to 180. 180y because we are finding a supplementary. So y is equal to 180 minus 20. When changes its side, it changes to minus. So y is equal to 160 degree. Got it? Therefore, the measure of the supplement of the complement of angle A is equal to 160 degree. Got it? In this form you all have to write it down. The writing work is more. Okay. Now moving towards question number 7. Angle A and angle B are supplementary of each other. Measure of angle B is equal to x plus 20 degree. Then find measure of angle A. Sorry, angle A we have to find. So let M, measure of angle A, is equal to y degree. The sum of the supplementary of 180. So x plus 20 plus y is equal to 180. Y is equal to 180 minus x minus 20. Therefore, y is equal to 160. After subtracting this 180 and 20, you will get x is equal to y is equal to this much. So we got a supplementary angle. We got a supplementary angle, that is, sorry, we got a supplementary angle, that is x degree minus x. You all can put it in a bracket or you all can separately write it in this form. Okay, so moving towards the next section, that is exercise number 18. Exercise number 18 we are starting. The pairs of opposite angle in the given figure. This figure has been given to us. This is a rough figure, children. Okay, so this is L, P, T, M and N. Name the pairs of opposite rays. We have to find the opposite rays. Now, for this, ray PL and ray PM. This ray is opposite to this ray. And the other is ray PN and ray PT. Okay, this was easy. We have to just find the opposite rays. So one more question is there from this exercise. We'll solve it. Second sum. Are the rays PM, from the same question, are the rays PM and PT? I'll again draw the figure so that I'll be able to explain you all. Suppose this is P, this is L, T, M and N. This is a rough figure. So what we have to find? The ray PM and PT are opposite or no, and we have to give the reason. So see, ray PM and ray PT are not opposite. Okay, from the same figure. The figure is same for both the questions. See, PM and PT, they are not opposite. Why they are not opposite? Why they are not opposite? Because you all have to write the reason. Because opposite rays form a line. Got it? They should form a line in this way. Okay, then only they are going to form. This is not a line. This is forming an angle. So for rays, what we have to find for the opposite rays, we have to see whether they are in a straight line. If they are in an angle, they are not an opposite rays. So ray PM and PT do not form a line. So here our exercise number 18 ends. Hope you have understood the exercise number 17 and 18. If there are any queries, mention in the comment box. I'll try to answer your queries. Thank you.